Do me a favor, pick me up, take me out later. Don't worry about no paper, 'cause I got mine stacked up for nights like this.
What's up, breezy people? It's your girl, Brittany Lachey, and I'm coming back to you with another video. I told you I was gonna be back, but I guess you didn't believe me because here I am and you surprised. Say no. Alright, y'all, so this video is gonna be a hair mess. I'm whispering because baby gonna do this with me. He right here in the shower right now, so that's why I'm so quiet.
Then use that one, god dang it. Be violent. Be violent.
Whatever. Anyway.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show me what
All
you
right.
got, baby. Yeah. We got the coconut oil, baby. Ooh, for the skin. You can use it for cooking. Ooh, nice smelling, baby. We got avocado. Ooh, you know you love the avocado, baby. Ooh. They look like two balls, baby. Yeah.
Babe.
And the egg. You know about the egg. Yeah. The egg. The egg.
Shut up.
Breakfast in a bowl, baby. Yeah.
Shut up. Alright, y'all. Because he's talking about some ooh, baby, yeah. So we're going to take this. Damn.
Ooh, how many scoops of. Ooh. That's loose.
It's what, babe? It's
Shut
what?
up.
We're going to do it separately?
You want to do it together? Let's do it separately.
Alright.
Do 2 spoons.
I got to do 2 spoons for mine because I got more hair than you do.
Excuse me?
I do.
I think I deserve a spoon and a half. Let me see how luxurious my. Look at the fork, baby.
You think because he got a little bush that he doing something?
My disco on.
Get it. Bye.
Alright.
Alright, baby.
Let me show you how to properly open an avocado.
You do that in your bowl. While I want mine. Wait, don't do that. Yeah.
Can show them how to properly open an avocado.
Actually,
or
don't
piece.
even need to warm it up because yours is loose.
Exactly. This knife is terrible.
Hmm?
You want to open it like this, baby. You want to rotate it around the knife.
You said the knife is terrible.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that knife?
You see? You see the split?
No.
Then you want to twist the avocado. Not break it apart like that. You want to twist and then come apart like that. You see the pit, baby? You take the knife, twist it.
That's why you called it terrible?
Yes, I did.
Can't you just scoop it out? Exactly.
Right,
Man, extra. You got avocado with one damn egg.
See, avocado is special. It's dangerous though because it goes bad real fast. So what you want to do, you want to put something like plastic over top of it, directly on top of it, baby.
Maybe you're
Don't
using the
waste
whole
it.
avocado.
Don't waste your avocado. It's going to go bad.
Sir, can you scoop the avocado already? Why don't you just use the one I have?
It's
Do whatever you do. You're what?
You're on the outside.
How you know I ain't want to do my avocado?
You want to go on the outside of the avocado. Then go and scoop the rest of the avocado out there. So you don't be like
See, that's
getting
what I was
little
talking
strings and shit.
There's a string. Yes.
Fight.
Fight.
Do it. You don't get bugged for the people out here. You showing off. Like you got some muscle, baby. Like you got hands. You ain't got no hands, boo boo. You ain't got no
Who you
hands.
talking to?
I'm talking to you, boo boo. Yeah.
Don't call me no damn boo boo.
Boo boo the fool. That's what you acting like, baby.
I'll put this on your face.
So make my skin look beautiful, baby. Already. Ooh, no acne, baby. No marks, baby. Ooh. You see the mold though. What side is on?
You don't even know what side it's on. Stupid.
Push me. You see it? Man, I'm calling police. In the video. In the video. She got a headache, man.
You got a headache. You do?
Pray for me.
They obviously don't know what you're like dealing with you.
Oh,
Okay.
bless it. She can send it to the street.
Okay.
In the video.
Stop.
You got one more time. That's right, 2.
What you gonna do?
I'm out.
You out?
Hey. Oh, let me tell y'all how she burned toast.
I did not burn toast.
She burned Texas toast.
No, I didn't. I just.
You did too. I told him about my Texas toast. Yeah, mine is sticky burns.
What's it up? But it's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be pasty. It's not supposed to be a vlog.
You said don't put that much oil in it.
You're right. I did say that.
So put some more.
Talking to you like that.
We'll be right back after these messages.
I'm telling you, use a blender and it won't turn out this clumpy. But if you don't have a blender, then you ain't got no choice but to deal with what I got to deal with. Alright, so this is the finished product with the avocado. Come back in the camera, don't be shy.
I am a warrior. The avocado warrior. Oh, praise the avocado gods.
Alright, so both of our hair is full of avocado, as you can see.
I love the Jolly Green guy. Ho, ho, ho. Green Jolly. The disrespect. You messed up my warrior.
Okay. Yeah, on my. It's on my glasses.
No, it's not.
There's a smudge up there.
Hallelujah.
Okay.
Hallelujah.
Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, I just took mine out. Still got some little. Yeah, I just took mine out. And.
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
You motherfucker.
He'll be okay.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you will.
I'm drowning. Ow.
Baby, seriously? This is what me drowning. So this is my hair. Everything looks good and moisturized. Oh shit.
What?
You got more strings than I do. Say bye, baby.
I'm never doing this again.
Anyway, that was the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and all of that good stuff. And I'll see y'all next week.